Hi everyone, I'm Jane and I love crochet. I want to talk to you today about my stitch sampler booklet, which is available to buy in the Just Hands shop. It's made up of 36 different stitch combinations, and some more easy, some more challenging. But I'm going to show you number 36 is corner to corner moss stitch, 13 balls of weekender. It was made from quite a chunky, super chunky yarn using a 7mm hook. And I made these squares. I worked out that I could make, on 31 stitches, I could make these squares and get the right number out.